Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are back yet again recapping on Izingane as a September. Now, if you missed it, Umpumelelo is finally a fiancé. He has paid lobola for Amahle, his freshly newly girlfriend that we just met this season. And if we met her, she did say that her and Pomelelo have been dating only for just a couple of months, probably 5 months, and already says Yaka like a sana lobola has been paid. I mean, it is so cute, guys, but we were all surprised when we finally saw Mpumelelo paying Lobola for Uamahle, since we all anticipated that Mpumelelo will most likely pay Lobola for his ride or die. Isoja lika Mpumelelo o Terelo. Mpumelelo has said it every now and again that Terelo is indeed his soldier. But I was at least very much shocked when that did not happen. Well, Umbumelelo was also asked here, which is since now he has paid Lobola, is Amahle his first wife? Of course, he disputes making her the first wife, saying that nope, she will not be the first wife. And I must say that I understand Mpumelelo. I saw most people confused on Twitter. Mpumelelo paying Lobola does not mean that he is necessarily a husband. It just means it's like an engagement, a formal engagement. Lobola, that's what it is. So of course, the day he get married, if ever, because it's possible that he has paid Lobola first for Amahle, but he will not get married to Amahle first. He may get married to Uterelo first. That will make Uterelo Omamkulu. That's just according to my understanding. So I understand that where he's coming from when he is saying that Amahle will not be Umamkulu. But still, being in a relationship with someone, having a baby with someone, and he still does not pay Lobola, or he skip you and go and pay Lobola for someone else, that might have been very much painful for Uterelo. But anyway, I do not sympathize with Unom Tere. I'm just like, babe, it serves you right. Even if Uterelo in future does get married to Upumelelo, and probably she will become a first wife, but the fact that in this period where Umpumelelo was paying Lobola for Amahle, baby girl was going through it just for that near fact, I'm just like, babe, it serves you right. No empathy from me, absolutely none. Well, yeah, guys, Amahle is soft spoken. I mean, someone even said she has an anxiety voice. I mean, she does, okay? I really, really don't know what is she doing with Umpumelelo. Like, I don't know why. Because, guys, the red flags are there. And their relationship quickly becomes public because they are on TV. And as much as Umpumelelo has done right by her and come and pay Lobola, that does not mean that Mpumelelo will stop hoeing around, okay? Mpumelelo will still have multiple girlfriends. Mpumelelo is still gonna take more wives because he was groomed to be a polygamist man by his father. So that's just something that you cannot run away from. He is a polygamist and he will have more and more and more girlfriends and take as many wives as he wants. So I don't know, Amahle babe. I don't know what were you thinking, but yeah, my hope and my prayer for Amahle, because she does look cute, beautiful, and innocent. As for her not to ever fall pregnant, at least, that's at least that she could do at this point. But yeah, again, guys, I also saw Umpumelo's Instagram. He posted a story that he is now a father of 4. I was like, what? What does he mean he's a father of 4? Guys, like, I am still shook, okay? Who could be pregnant? Who could be pregnant, okay? Maybe there could be a new girl in the picture who's pregnant. Like, I don't know what exactly he means when he said he is now a father of 4. But the one thing about Umpumelelo, he loved chasing clouds on social media. Probably he just wanted to trend and get a bit of more engagement. He could be lying, but then guys, he already have 3 children. Okay, for him to have another child, it's easy. And I was just like, who else is pregnant? You're a father of 4 now. This is crazy. But guys, I don't know, do you all think Umpumelelo was just chasing clouds on social media, or ngempela there could be another baby on the way? But who though? Who? I want to know so badly. Now, guys, not unomtereteri, unomviti going through it. Baby girl, uyagowisha on another stage of umgowo, because when last season she was disrespectful, very much disrespectful towards Uvuyokazi, going as far as saying baby girl must love herself. Okay, but this season the table has turned, child. The table has turned. She is going through it. Okay, she's going through it. It's called another level of omjolo. That's just what she is going through, like another level of omjolo, because baby girl is now having family meetings with Umusamseleko, because hi Sana Umpumelelo is on another level. Okay, and in that family meeting, that's where she actually finds out that Umpumelelo has went and paid lobola. She was so shocked. She was like, she didn't know, she did not know that Umpumelelo has actually went and paid lobola. And in Pumelelo's case, he says that no, he did not owe Tirelo anything. He did not owe Tirelo to tell her that she's actually going to pay lobola, because Tirelo is his girlfriend, of which his rights, Tirelo is his girlfriend, is not his wife, so therefore he doesn't have to ask permission from Tirelo to say, hey, listen, can I go and pay lobola? He's absolutely right, but he's disrespectful, because Tirelo is his baby mama. I don't know, when you're someone's baby mama, you just kind of assume that, okay, we have a family now, okay, it's only right that we get married or whatever. But then to be told that no, you're just my girlfriend, I'm not gonna ask permission from you, because you're just my baby mama. If ever you were my wife, therefore I was gonna ask permission. I mean, that's just disrespectful in another level. Okay, and I can definitely say Usbindi slash Umpumelelo is very, very, very much disrespectful. But anyway, as long as he is disrespecting Utirelo, because Utirelo thought, yeah, she's better, this will never happen to her, this and that. But now the table has definitely changed. The disrespect is directed towards her. So I'm just like, okay, I'm happy as long as Usbindi, yes, Usbindi is disrespectful and all, but as long as he is disrespecting Utirelo, I'm happy. Like I cannot complain. But yeah, guys, that's how the meeting went. I mean, Umusa just kind of intervene and be like, no, you cannot tell the mother of your child that you do not need permission from her. I mean, this is the mother of your child. You probably want her to be your wife. You cannot just go and pay lobola for someone and not even consult her. Like, she doesn't even know what this is happening. You are just going there all by yourself and doing your own thing. Hi guys, in shame Ziyalila. Also, another thing, what is Utirelo doing Mzumbe for so many days? Yo guys, like it has been so many days whilst Utirelo is Mzumbe. Like, what is she doing there? Like, I'm sure if in 2 weeks has gone by, I don't understand what is Tirelo doing Mzumbe. Oh, baby girl has even abandoned her mother's tongue. Baby girl hardly ever uses Setswana anymore. Baby girl is Zulu. Like, my Zulu and her Zulu is the same thing. She plays Maskandi. She loves Maskandi now. I'm like, this girl, she's a gone girl. Like, she is no longer a Tswana girl at all. She is Zulu. That's what she is, because hey, Sana, she loves hard there in Mzumbe, okay? When you see Tirelo interacting Mzumbe, you could never tell that she's Tswana. Like you could never guess that she's Tswana. That's just how much she has blended with abantu basemzumbe. Like, oh baby girl, ublendile. You understand the blend, ublendile. And I'm just like, this girl is a gone girl. She's never coming back to the Tswanas. Like, the Tswanas must just accept that baby girl is gone to the Zulus, okay? Now, guys, it seems like there is a bit of bad blood between Udirelo no Amahle. At this point, obviously, whatever happened between the two of them was never documented in TV. I cannot tell who was right and who was wrong. Kodwa ke, in my eyes, definitely, without a ask, without a question, it was Direlo. It was Direlo. Whatever happens, that was wrong between them. It was definitely Terelo's fault. Okay, she was the one who was wrong in this instance. So it seems like Shane Bantla Usbindi, yeah, guys, being a polygamist. I mean, it may look nice if you're a man, like, it's nice to be a polygamist, but to have, to sit down and have the patience of begging two different women to get along, like, that on its own does not look nice at all. Because here is Usbindi here sitting with Uterelo, trying so much to just be like, Terelo, listen, you need to get along. And there is Amahle here. I've brought Amahle. Uterelo is not budging in. Gesana Uterelo comes and talk about how Usbindi have changed, Usbindi is now a completely different person since there's a new girl in his life. Usbindi akasabonseki, Usbindi is this. I'm just like, babe, what do you mean Usbindi shinjile? Tina, the Sbindi that we've been watching on TV as viewers, it's the very same Sbindi. Like, he has not changed at all, just that because we're all trying to get rid of Ufu, guys, of which this is another storyline, guys. Here is Uterelo telling us that there was never a virgin, okay? Remember on the previous season, Upumelelo said no, he would love his first wife to be a virgin, right? And that was, I guess, the way of eliminating Uvuyogazi, because Uvuyogazi was like, you know what, that's okay, go and get yourself a virgin. I'm not going to be in the way of you getting a virgin. Just know that I'm not going to be part of that temple as long as there is a virgin discussion, being talked about. That's where you are saying you want me out as Uvuyokazi, right? Udirelo comes back this season, confirms that there was never a virgin. What virgin? What are you talking about? Of which I truly believe that there was never a virgin, guys, because now Umpumelelo has paid Lobola, but on Lobola he confesses on TV that no, he knows nothing. Yena again kosami umuntu owadiflower uAmahle, and akazi lutho nge-virginity ka Amahle. So this just confirms ukuthi indaba ye-virgin, it was just a fabricated story that Umpumelelo made to get rid of Uvuyokazi. Guys, I know Umpumelelo akayi esulwini. There's no way that this boy will see heaven. Because why do someone so dirty? Someone who have 2 children by you, okay? But anyway, like I said, it seems like the table has changed a bit, okay? It seems like the table has changed a bit. One thing that I know for sure is that Uterelo believes on Umpumelelo, believes so hard kesana Umpumelelo, and she ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. She ain't budging, okay? But that's fine. That's okay. And I can still reasonably suspects that the person who will be Mpumelelo's first wife, indeed it will be Uterelo, because those are whom are gonna get married first. So Lobola means nothing, guys. Probably it was just to spice up the show, this and that, but Lobola means nothing. The day that Mpumelelo actually says I do, that's when that he will have a wife. and I still suspect that it will be Terelo. Like, I strongly suspect that it will be Terelo. But guys, they must prove us wrong and show us really these shows of theirs, they are not a bit directed or scripted or whatever that you want to name it. But guys, as I was saying, that Uterelo is trying, Mpumelelo, I mean, is trying so hard to get his girlfriends to get together, but Amahle, it seems like she ain't budging. Amahle is like, listen, Uterelo is like disrespectful, and the first time around when they tried to be together, it just did not work out because Uterelo is the one who's kinda not being nice towards Amahle, and Amahle, I mean, Mpumelelo now have to go back and beg and be like, listen, I am like kind of begging you right now, Uguti, get along with Uterelo, be with Uterelo, be in the same space with Uterelo. Guys, I wonder if Amahle will actually be able to take such a huge compromise, compromising herself in such a biggest, largest way of being in the same space with Uterelo, because she have to. Like, what choice does she have? She said she loved the man. She said, I love you, man. She said, this man is the man that I love. And this man comes with Uterelo, Kesana. Uterelo ain't going no way. So this man comes with Uterelo. At this point, it seems like Wamahle just needs to get over it and accept Mpumelelo is not just her man, but it's her man with umateritiri, with unomteritiri. But also, guys, Uterelo has been absolutely disrespectful towards Ofuyogas, like disgustingly disrespectful, That's just how much disrespectful Uterelo has been towards Ofuyogas. So I have not seen Uterelo being as disrespectful towards Amahle. Honestly, I would be lying if I say I have. I just have not seen Uterelo being as disrespectful towards Amahle. So probably, we have to give her like a benefit of a doubt, kinda, that baby girl, she could have changed. She's a new person now. She's not the old Nomteretere. She could be like a different person. I don't know. I doubt Sufuti. I highly doubt. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the review. Please do comments down below. What do you think of the show, you all? What do you think? Do you all think that it's scripted? Because Umusa also said that for the near facts that Mpumelelo has paid lobola for Amahle, it makes Amahle umamkulu. Okay, but again, I know Mpumelelo will say no, but I'm not married, of which it's valid. He is not married. Okay, so he could pay lobola and quickly get married to unomtiritiri, and that will make unomtiritiri umamkulu wamampela, umamkulu wamanyani. Guys, tricky andifuna ukungasho ke sana. Like, I don't even want to sugarcoat the fact that this is tricky. This is so tricky. Go tricky. Yeah, but anyway, guys, please go to comments down below and tell us your thought. Do you think Mpumelelo can still manage to get married to Uterelo first? But I don't know, because there are rumors that says that Uterelo's parents don't want lobola, which I don't blame them, guys. Like, Uterelo at this point cannot save herself. She needs someone to save her. She needs someone to save her. May the Rents please step in and do what's right in trying to save unomteritiri, and since the Amahla's parents thought it was nice and fine, the lobola must be accepted. I guess Amahle asimshiyeni when it's her turn. It's her turn, ukuthi naye zimkhalele, because definitely one thing for sure. But also, it seems like Amahle is very much understanding ukuthi Mpumelelo doesn't have one girlfriend. Guys, I'm done with this tempo, guys. And like, personally, I don't understand it, and I don't think I will ever understand it. But if ever one day, someday, I ever come back as a man, probably the odds and the chances of me understanding isiThembu will be higher. I am being classist right now and I know it. Anyway, guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy this reviews, you would give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one when, of course, I'm bringing you more reviews. So then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.